So I started Part-Time Carnivore 3 years ago, basically because I realised that my diet wasn't very sustainable or healthy because I was eating a lot of meat, and I wanted to start something to encourage other meat eaters to eat less meat without telling people that they have to give it up altogether. And so that's why I came up with Part-Time Carnivore.
So it works through a website where people make a pledge.
That's right, yeah.
And how successful has it been?
It's taken off really well, actually. Initially, it was just kind of friends of friends on Facebook and things like that who signed up, but then universities started getting involved and setting up their own pledges, and there's now 1,800 part-time carnivores signed up on the website.
So you've won £500 through this competition. I understand that's going to be useful for your venture.
The prize money would be really useful for our campaign because it's run by volunteers and we haven't had a lot of funding, so it's going to really help us to improve the website and make it more popular.
So you're off to London on Saturday for
Yes.
Earth Hour. How are you looking forward to that?
I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it'll be great to see the lights turn off on the London skyline. So yeah, it'll be great.
What would you say to other people who are looking forward to Earth Hour on Saturday?
Oh, I'd encourage everyone to sign up. It's a really good event to get everyone thinking about climate change and what they can do to help the planet.